In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DMARC record in Bluehost. Now, DMARC, which stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting and Conformance, is a critical step in securing your email communications and protecting your domain from unauthorized use. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Bluehost account. Go ahead and open up your web browser, navigate to the Bluehost website, and enter your login credentials, your username and password. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the navigation area where you'll find either the Hosting tab leading you to the cPanel or the Domains tab directing you to the DNS settings based on the interface you're seeing. In the case of the cPanel interface, look for the Zone Editor. If you're in the Domains section, you'll need to click on the DNS tab, followed by the Advanced DNS Editor. This is where we'll be managing our domain's DNS records, which includes the all-important DMARC record. Now, with the tools in front of you, select the specific domain you want to manage. You'll see a list if you have multiple domains associated with your account, so be sure to click on the correct one. Once you've chosen your domain, we're going to focus on the DMARC record itself. Check if there's an existing DMARC record in place. If you find one, it's important to edit this record rather than create a new one. Having multiple DMARC records can lead to conflicts, which may disrupt your domain's email functionality. If there's no record present, it's time to create a new TXT record. This record is essential, as it specifies the policy for how your emails are authenticated and reported. When setting up the new record, in the host or name field, you'll type in DMARC. This points to the record we're creating. For the type field, select TXT, because that's the type of record DMARC uses. In the points to or value field, input your complete DMARC record. An example of this could be something like V DMARC1, P none, though you'll want to customize this based on your specific needs. The TTL, which stands for time to live, should typically be set between 1 to 4 hours. The default value here is usually sufficient if you're unsure. With everything filled in, you're ready to finalize by clicking Add Record or Save Record at the bottom of the page. This action saves your DMARC configuration and will take effect according to the TTL setting you've applied. By following these steps, you're well on your way to strengthening the security of your domain's email systems, ensuring that your communications are authentic and resilient against unauthorized access. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take control of your email security with confidence.